The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Kind of changing some stuff around on the channel. I shortened the intro and outro, so if you guys have any feedback, let me know in the comments down below. I just want to keep it a little bit shorter, and I think it will make the viewer experience much better. Okay, let's start off looking at the daily chart for Tesla. Looks like last week I did my analysis on Monday, April 10th, and I said that prices could get rejected from the EMA, and it looks like that's exactly what happened. Prices shot back down. Ever since then, it's just been inside this small little consolidation. So let's go over what can occur possibly in the future. Well, we still have this uptrend channel that was in play in the past. So after a channel break, we can expect 2 attempts at the previous extreme. So the sellers broke this channel. The bulls made one attempt higher to exceed this or retest this previous extreme at the 218. Prices sold off. Now we did come back at this little support right here, and we bounced. So this could be the bottom for the next attempt higher, but it's not guaranteed either, because we did have this small little channel in play right here. So there's a lot of indecision right now. I'm not sure if this is going to be the bottom for the second attempt higher for the bulls, or the bears are still in the formation of a new move down, maybe something like this. And possibly you can see this measure move is potentially in play too. This all can be one leg down, and then this is the second leg down. And you can see these two measure moves on the bottom side are fairly close to one another. So this could be where maybe the second attempt takes off from, instead of right here for the bulls. So instead of the bulls having the second attempt from right here off the 175 level, it could be off of a lower level right around the 152. So I'm not sure which one. You can see that traders are not sure either. That's why the price is just kind of going sideways. They're waiting for this earnings report to come out to give them a better idea of the sentiment in the market. So this is estimated to be released Wednesday, April 19th, after market close. That's why it's a moon. Whenever it's in the morning, it's like a sunrise. So again, that was a moon right there. Looks like Tesla normally releases it after market close. So some of the stocks are usually in the morning before. This one's after. So I think we'll have a better idea of what Tesla wants to do after the earnings report. Right now, it's just hard to say what the market wants to do, but either way, I think there's more aggressive buyers in the market than aggressive sellers. So either we get that second attempt or second attack from the bulls right now, meaning off of this level I just drew earlier, or we see that drop down to these lower price targets, and then we get the attempt higher. I think that's probably more likely to occur, that we see an attempt higher either right now or later. I think it will be rare to see just the prices continue rocket down lower after these measure moves are reached. So that would be very unlikely. I'm looking for a bounce up right about now, or if we drop a little bit lower, we can get the bounce up. Either way, I'm expecting another attempt higher from the bulls. And right now we're just kind of going sideways, so it's not really clear on which direction the price wants to go. So maybe if we get back above the EMA, maybe do something like this. That might be a trap for the shorts to rocket up higher. But again, if we just break a little bit lower and fail, then we could probably see a trap for the longs and see a crash down. So it just depends on what the market wants to do at the end of the day. Let's take a look at the weekly. And here we have the weekly chart for Tesla. I'm gonna go ahead and draw the macro structure, which looks like a downtrend channel, and prices are just hovering near the resistance side. In the past, this is where it started to get sideways, and I go and mark it with a green range. So we're kind of doing the same thing right over here. So if history repeats, then we could probably just see a crash down. But again, this is a little different context than before. We are near this critical resistance level also, kind of like right around this 198, 197 level. So we're kind of just chopping back and forth through it. So maybe we do break it. So we'll have to wait and see. But it looks like eventually we're probably going to see a breakout on this side of the channel. And I think maybe now would be a good time. But again, that's not something you probably want to play, because you can't just expect this line to be broken. You know, you can, but you need room to get out in case you're wrong. So it looks like buyers entered right about here, for example. And once they saw the rejection right over here, they're like, okay, I'm gonna scratch the trade, or I'm gonna get out before the resistance comes in. So you know, you have buyers and sellers in the market. Buyers entered when they had a clear position, but they got out at a potential resistance level. So right now we have resistance and support in the way, so it's not really clear what the market wants to do. But if I were to take a guess, we're probably gonna see a breakout towards the top side, but then the real play will probably be on the downside, because this is a downtrend channel. And like I said before, we get 2 attempts at the previous extreme. The previous extreme was right here. So if we see, you know, a breakout, we can probably still see 2 attempts down. Maybe not this large. You know, it could be, you know, 2 small attempts down, or even 2 really large attempts down. We don't know what's going to occur, but we'll probably still see 2 attacks or attempts from the sellers to bring the price down after a potential breakout. So I think the potential breakout can occur soon. But again, it's not guaranteed. We are near resistance, and we could just sell off like we did over here in the past. So again, it's just kind of sideways. Hard to say what's going to occur, but I pretty much went over the possible situations that can occur. And I think after this earnings report this week, we'll have a better idea of the price direction for Tesla. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.